Namaste, I'm Deepti Sehgal and I am a Hatha Yoga teacher from Shivananda School. My focus in my practices while I'm teaching and for my personal practice has gradually shifted from aggressive forms of yoga to more holding forms of yoga like Hatha Yoga, specifically because when it comes to female health, when it comes to maintaining your hormonal health, holding postures give you much more benefit than the movement postures. And my focus in my yoga practice is more about bringing about balance in females' hormonal health and to induce parasympathetic response, which is responsible for bringing about deep level of healing inside the body. How many women do suffer from PCOD, PCOS and all kinds of hormonal related health issues, and most women actually seek their solution in dietary solutions or maybe looking for these artificial hormonal therapies that do have an effect to a certain extent, but when it comes to holistic picture, looking at the big picture in terms of making sure that the root of your problem is taken care of, only diet therapy or only medication therapy does not work. You really have to support your internal organs from where all these reproductive activities are happening. And in most cases, of course, we have a lot of focus on our ovary health, uterus health, which are the internal organs which are encased in the pelvic cavity, and this pelvic cavity is supported by pelvic floor muscles. So it's very important that we take care of pelvic floor muscles if we really want to support the internal reproductive organs. We want to give a good supply of blood to these organs, and this is where you can actually keep your reproductive organs really healthy. So we'll be moving on to bridge pose for pelvic floor health, where this pose actually helps you build up the pelvic floor muscle health and ultimately impacts your hormonal health. So let's move on to bridge pose. Stretch out your legs. Lie down on your mat straight. Keep your arms besides your body. Now fold both your legs. Keep little distance between your hips and your both legs. Make sure that your heels are touching your palms, fingertips. Now to take a deep breath in, inhale and gradually lift your lower body up, up, up. Keep lifting it up. Go against gravity, keep lifting it up. Keep lifting it up. And when you're in the posture, just try to squeeze your internal abdominal muscles upwards. So when you squeeze your internal abdominal muscles upwards is where you're actually trying to activate your pelvic muscles, which have a deep impact when it comes to female hormonal health. Keep inhaling, exhaling deep. Stay in the posture. And on exhalation, try to go even more up. Exhale and slowly come down. Relax.